No. Alam ko yan, Tan.
Baka man di ka balbasay nga yung buhok,
Oo,
no?
Ako lagi. Baka palagi sa Sunday, labi nag-blessing. Nagkikansin ba?
Lalo na kapag nakita mo si Bangkay, no?
Hindi na.
Oo.
Lahi na istorya na. Lahi na kapapahan. Basta, si Bangkay na, Lahi nag-aura na ako sa Bangkay.
Okay.
Yes. Kaya kanang pure bang ako ra.
Belle, will you please do the honors of,
Bangkay?
yeah, the Jollibee, yes. Yes. And the two girls you're with. Would you please do the honors of introducing them on the camera?
Yeah.
Please.
This is Hubag.
Yes.
And
Okay. So, what can you say? The two of you, what can you say? Now that we're going back to Maasin. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Again? I'm going to repeat my question. What can you say? Please don't interrupt. What can you say that now we're going back to Maasin?
No, wait.
Ang to-
Hindi dapat ang mutubag.
Please do speak in English.
No.
Okay. So, she's going to speak in what language?
Wait.
You want me to repeat the question?
For me? No. Ano ko dire?
Oh, no, okay, sige. Ganito na lang. You can, Belle, yun na ka, para kunyari makuha ka yan. Okay, sige. Magtatanong ako, then you're going to answer it in Bisaya, then you're going to translate in Tagalog.
Okay.
And then you're going to translate in English.
No, I can't. Tayo yan.
Okay.
Ayoko mag-cover.
Okay, sige. Kayong dalawa na lang because this is your moment. Si Belle kasi marami na siyang moment. Hawa na din. Okay. So, again, yes. Okay, again, Miss Lapal, what can you say that now that we're going back to Maasin?
Ay, excited ako dahil. Sabong na dahil. Sabi niya.
Live po tayo, please.
Sorry, ganda-ganda ko. Ang sabi niya, excited na siya. Kasi, nag-date na siya kay RP.
Wala akong narinig na RP na word.
Ay, sabi niya, excited na siya mabalik sa Maati. Kasi, may date pa siya. Yun niya. Huwag mo kayong tawa dyan. Nagkasiya.
Meron pang kulang.
Ano?
Sabi niya, sabi ni Mirna Day, nanay ba to?
Huwag mo sabihin kayo, meron na.
Okay. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.
Again.
Sino pangalan mo? Arigato. Utashi yun na ni Maewa? Okay. Utashi yun ni Maewa. Utashi yun ni Maewa. Sino pangalan mo? Oh, ano daw?
Too focusing. What's the use of zooming? Okay lang, Day.
Programming.
Wrong wording.
What's laughing? Ha? Ano tinatawa niyo?
Agoy. Tama na.
Tama na mga kalokohan niyo.
Okay, I'm going to... Wave, Nay! Wave! Wave ba? Ay, wow!
Wow, ayaw niyo ng wave. Gusto niyo ng peace?
Video, Nay! Mana?
Madugad naman. Hindi na nakasakay ron.
Napay-ride ng multicab?
Hindi ako na lang red. Sa nang yellow brand.